everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariyea if you're new here, and I like to do planning videos here on YouTube. My current obsession is Erin Condren. So yeah, if you're into planning videos and sticker hauls, then do me a favor and hit the red subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for your continued support. Today I have my Erin Condren seasonal sticker subscription to unbox with you all today. Alright guys, so like I said, I got my stickers. It's about 6:30 in the afternoon. I just got home from work and picked this up from the mail, and I'm sorry I had to cover this up. I don't know what's in here because I did not see any spoilers, and I'm so excited. My last one that I bought, I actually looked at what was inside, so it wasn't like a big surprise to me, but I'm super excited. Okay, this is not going too well, so I'm just going to go like that. FYI, this, I had bacon grease splatter on me, so it looks like I had a really big tarantula bite me, but it's just bacon grease. Alrighty. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay. So this is the little welcome card. Okay, let's look in here. So these are some sticky note flags, and these are really gorgeous. I like them better than last subscription. I think I have those. Okay, I cannot get these out. These are so pretty. I had the last subscription sitting next to me somewhere, but I don't know where they're at the moment, but these are so pretty. I'm excited to use those. This is pressed flower stickers, real pressed flower stickers. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Okay, so these are actual flowers that are pressed in these stickers. And I was just about to say, it gives me Happy Planner pressed florals sticker book vibes, but these are actual flowers. That is amazing. And I am so excited to use these. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but I have to find a way. Like, these are amazing and completely unexpected. I was not expecting these. Definitely better than last time because I'm guessing that these are taking place of this from last subscription. So these are from last subscription, and then it also came with the sticky note flags, and then, or you know what, these probably are taking place of the puffy stickers. But these, I really love these. Okay, enough talking about those. Here we have, these are just some, I don't really feel like taking them out because honestly, they're just, well, I guess I should just to see. I don't know if there's just one sheet or multiple sheets, and it's just one sheet. But they're little tiny dots. These are so functional, and I love functional stickers, so I know I'm going to use these. Guys, I just can't stop looking at these. Like, this is completely unexpected and amazing. I don't know. That's really cool. I just can't stop looking at them. But yeah, so these are just mini dots, and I actually buy their transparent dots from the website, so these will be cool. I don't believe they're transparent. They're just, they have that circle dot on them. They have the metallic dot, and then they're like that really thin washi material. So yeah, that's those. And then now we're getting into the kits. So I love these because, you know, you just have a functional sheet and then a decor sheet. And April is my birthday month, and these are gorgeous. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm going to use them. I didn't use the last quarters because I actually had already bought in monthly sticker kits, but I really want to use these. I really don't want to use, I don't know, I might use these, but I kind of want to save them. They're just gorgeous. I love the colorway, the pink and the purples. So yeah, that was April's. Here is May's. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I love this little subscription. It's so affordable. It's only it's like 16 something. I don't know the exact number off the top of my head, but and it's, I believe, free shipping. So this is just such a deal. And then you get 3 month, like you get a kit for every month basically. So I love it, and let's root for each other. You grow, girl. These are gorgeous. I'm so excited. So that was May. And then here is June. So fitting for vacations. I love that they put the little Erin Condren mark on the suitcase. And then the little snorkel. I love how bright and like cheery this is. Really gorgeous. And I love that they play off of the colorway that's already set in the planner. So here's my plan. Here's my life planner. And go check out my last video. I'll link it up in the cards. If you haven't watched it, I just uploaded it on Monday. And this is the plan with me that I created. So I'm just going to show you guys how they kind of play off of the monthly color. So like, it would be gorgeous to decorate with these sticker kits. So that is April. And then, nope, wrong kit. Here is May. This one's not like an exact match, but it's kind of like matching that lighter shade, but I mean, it would still look gorgeous. And then June, again, it's not an exact match. I don't know. This one's kind of the most not matching in my opinion, but it would still be fun and completely adorable to decorate with these. So yeah, guys, let's see. Let me grab all these stickers up. And I am obsessive, so let me put them in order. And so yeah, that was my unboxing. I love this month's or quarters, I should say. Oh, and you know what? I didn't even realize, like, these sticky notes go with, like, there's some to go with each one. So like these two, yeah, these two I feel like would go with that one, and then these two with this one, and then that one with that one. So that's cool. Uh-oh, let me see something. Okay, but yeah, this is definitely my favorite. Last quarters was my first time purchasing these, and this quarter just blew it out of the water for me. I'm definitely going to, like I said, be buying these for a while. So if you're interested in just getting those peeks at what they are, I know they're not for sale anymore, but I don't know. I enjoy buying them, and if you haven't gotten yours yet and you want to see, I hope I helped to show you what was in them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.